Hellcat, you put the pedal moving. All right, let's move. Go. Okay, forward. Come on, we got to go. Go. Full throttle. Steady on, driver.
Oh, that was a nice turn. A very nice turn.
Steady on, driver. Fire it up.
Ah, good. Okay.
Rolling. Get up, moving. Hellcat on the move. Get going. Just punching. Just keep going. Take a seat. Give her. We copy.
Interesting.
Get this thing in gear. Driver, move out. Roger. Heading out. Come on, we gotta go. Get up, rolling. Hellcat, rolling now. Get up, moving. Now, understood. Fire on it. Signal. Gunner
Shoot
on alert.
him! What? He didn't shoot. My tank not shoot, what the fuck?
Gun it.
Yeah, bad timing, I think, for me.
Gunner on alert.
I don't know.
Well, I have ammo, you have points, who wins?
Get up, moving. Now. Driver, get this thing rolling. Hellcat, moving out. Come on, driver. Hellcat, moving out. Come on, driver. Hold it, driver. Looks like the cavalry needs some backup. Get on the horn. Hellcat here. Let's roll out. Copy.
Germans are seizing territory from us.
Yeah, good move.
Motor missed. No, come on!
Like, sure.
Oh, it hit the house. What is this? Ah, it's over already.
Tank killer here. Driver, full speed. Get us rolling. Let's roll out. Advance. Heading out. Okay, forward. Let's get going. Infantry with AT has us guided.
Yeah.
Alert.
Ooh.
Do I cap it before the mortar hits? Yes, I do. Good.
Controlling the mortar weapon provides artillery support for the surrounding area.
Now. Get this thing in gear. Hellcat ready to go. Roll in. Pull ahead, driver. All right, let's move. Full throttle. Pull ahead, driver. Come. Heading out. Hellcat, moving out. Pull ahead, driver. Advance. Let's roll out here. Reckon so.
Wolfgang. I know you are here.
No, 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 no.
I hear you.
Fire it up. Advance. Get this thing in gear. Hellcat, moving out. Hang on. We have to hell.
Ah, there you are. Hello.
Driver, go now. Stop. Copy. Roger. Hawkins mine. We're a tank destroyer, not an engineer. Heading out.
Ah, do you have your firestorm soon?
Steady on, driver.
That would be bad for me.
I know, I have a bad life.
Where is firestorm? You should try and kill me, I'm facing the wrong way. Ah, infantry going to mortar.
Yeah, sure. I was sure.
There we go. I'm facing the correct way now. You're on 500 points still.
Hold it, driver.
Oh, there's a wall.
Shoot!
Hellcat, take us in. Understood.
Thank you.
Enemy hostages have been
Get
destroyed.
on it. Driver, go. Get us moving. Drop a Hawkins mine and let's get out of here. Okay, forward.
Oh, move, tank, move.
Reckon so.
No firestorm, please. Ah, no firestorm.
Looks like
Protect
a
this
cavalry
strategic
driver.
point to gain
Get
access
on,
to
driver.
additional air. Roger that.
Come on, we
Recon
got to
flight
go.
standing by.
Reckon so. In. All right, let's move here.
There's a bang here, yes?
Run, driver.
Yes.
On, driver, with you. Understood that. Moving out.
Oh, what?
Allied Hellcat has
Got
been
that?
neutralized.
Even the toughest steel will stop us now. Hellcat, reading you. All right, let's move.
Mort coming for you. I'm coming for you.
Get up, rolling. Come.
Where are you? Take the air.
Okay, forward, come on, we gotta go.
Maybe I
Air
rush.
Recon, your target is marked.
You repair?
Get
What
this
the
thing
fuck?
in gear.
Who repairs?
Get us moving. Go. Full throttle.
Now, did you mind this ammo point?
Reckon so. Come.
No, you didn't.
Fired up. Run. Steady on, driver. Reckon so.
Reports B-47 ready.
There is a wall in the way, maybe I can't shoot you. Oh, you're Mort. Okay. Wait, you didn't repair? You're still damaged. What the fuck? Why? You went base and didn't repair?
Rolling.
The enemy is after our victory point. Confirmed.
Steady on, driver. Broken. Now.
Ouch.
Okay, moving out. Get up, rolling. Pull ahead, driver. Reckon
Hey, kill me. Thank you.
Run.
Destroyed.
Hammer it, driver. We copy.
Air Recon,
Huh?
your target is marked.
Oh, you've not took your base ammo either. Oh no. Ah, now he takes it. Okay, okay.
Control this strategic point in order to call additional infantry reinforcements
Come
from
on, we
HQ.
gotta go. Run. Come on, we got to go. Full throttle. Drop a Hawkins mine and let's get out of here. Put the pedal down. Roll it. You're done. Move out.
Allied Hellcat has been neutralized. The birds are in the air. Rocket bombing runs are awaiting targets.
Oh, I hear you with mortar.
Posts report we are losing a sector. That.
Sitting pretty. Come on, driver. Go. Throttle. Move out.
Oh, you stay. Interesting.
Anti-infantry squad ready for deployment. Confirmed.
Go. Fired up. Hold it, driver. Reckon so. Come. Let's roll out. All right. Let's move. Heading out. Reckon so. Steady on, driver. Reckon so. We're in.
Infantry ambush squads are ready.
Get on the road now. Driver,
Infantry.
get this thing rolling. Right. Stay by. Driver, go. Reckon so.
Air recon. Your target is marked.
Right. Driver, go me. Get up moving.
Oh, sure, okay.
APCR. I just love the sound of that. Hellcat, yep, moving out. Put the pedal down. Pull ahead, driver.
The enemy is down to 300 points.
Ah!
Oh no, your building got in the way.
Okay, forward. Wilco, Hellcat, take it in. Got it. Ignore. Driver. Drop a Hawkins mine and let's get out of here. Advance. All right, let's move.
Confirmed.
Come on, driver. Okay, forward. Get this thing in gear.
Yeah, no, yeah.
What are you doing over there?
Yeah, I am in ambush, so, but you have a long view,
Get us moving. Fire it up.
so
Looks like the cavalry needs to roll it.
it's deactivate my ambush.
I see you.
Hellcat, moving out.
Yeah, I know.
Hang on.
I know you see me.
Drop a Hawkins mine and let's get out of
What are
here.
you doing?
I don't know.
Get us rolling. Get us
I make again a risky beginning, so
Get us moving. Ah,
Oh, it's more mines.
full front.
How do I have a slow mine over there?
Pull ahead, driver. Hold it, driver. Come on, driver. Fire it up. Go. Let's roll out. Hold it, driver. Reckon so.
I'll face the right way.
Okay.
Le mortar.
Forward. Steady on, driver. Hang on. Wake up. Steady on.
Yeah.
Get going.
Hotchkiss has been destroyed.
Understood. Get up.
The enemy is down to 200 points.
Steady on, driver. Roll in. Fucking fine. We're a tank the driver, not an engineer.
Bird dog, you
Come
have
on,
your
we
smoke.
got to go. Hellcat, moving out.
300 points left.
Our enemies are revealed to us.
Confirmed.
Hellcat, come on, we gotta go. Roger. Go. All right, let's move. Up here. Get this thing in gear. Hold it, driver. Come. Heading out. Summer. Fire it up. Advance. Reckon so. Driver, move out. Come on, driver. Heading out. Up here. Roger. Advance. Get this thing in gear.
Oh no.
Full throttle.
Ah, it's too hard for you now. I have the whole map.
yeah, that
Get us moving. Hellcat, rolling out.
Ah, nice done. I got back though.
Rolling. Under fire.
dead.
Reckon so. Come.
Yeah, normal.
Get us rolling.
Again, you had a good start, but I took the ammo, so I feel like mines, there's not a lot.
Looks like cavalry move out.
Yeah,
You got me a couple of times, but
Steady on, driver.
maybe
I
I,
have
need
so much
to.
of
So maybe I need to go back practice this game. So
yeah, watch them. It's fun to watch them.
Reckon
no, it's fun. It's
so. Get this thing in gear. Hold it, driver.
it's farm strategy, but there's few instances that don't work.
We got to go. Hang on. Roger. Roger. Hellcat, moving out.
What?
From behind.
Oh, okay.
Steady on, driver. Hang on. Come, take it in. We're with enemy
Oh.
on. Get out.
Nice.
Gunner on alert. Move this thing!
Ah, again, fun game.
Still get on the hook now. Come on, we gotta go. Go!
I was worried at the start. You had all 3 points, and I had nothing.
Thing in gear.
But I somehow come
Roll
back.
in. Elmer, give me those binoculars. Up
The
here,
enemy is
reckon
down
so.
to 25 points.
I think it's the first time we play 1v1, you and me.
Now.
No?
Yeah, yes, I don't play 1v1. Like,
Yeah.
even back in old days, I play a little bit, but not a lot.
Advance.
I always prefer 2v2.
Okay, right.
I think 2v2 is perfect mode.
All here, Roger.
Ah, I nearly got you.
Forward. Hang on, reckon so. Enemy
Uh-oh.
Take it heat.
The new
I kill you for the good play.
Yes, GG.
Again, a risky beginning.